what I've decided to do is take one of these 12-inch receiver hitches, right, and slide it onto the end. I'm going to weld it there, nice and strong, and then that leaves, obviously it's on the wrong way, but that leaves me the ability to use any time a hitch I want, any type of hitch I want right here. So anyway, so I'm going to finish it up like that. I'm going to prime it. I'm not going to paint it. And then I'm going to put that piece on, clear off where I got to weld, and then the primer should help it, the longevity of it anyway. Here's my other guy. He doesn't have any arms. He doesn't have this thing here is going to be a baseball hat. This is going to be a baseball minion. I make a baseball minion. I make a lumberjack minion. I make a Darth Vader fire pit. Yeah, so that's where I'm at. I went with a 44-inch tongue, or 46-inch tongue. I was going to go 48, but I decided to go 46. Okay, so here we are. I used wire brush, boxed off the end, flap disc, used some acetone to clean it up, and sprayed it off with this. I personally really like this stuff. Pretty popular trend-clad primer. Okay, so now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my end. I marked off already how much I needed. Cleaned up this end that's going to be welded. Paint's already dried. I'm going to slide it up to that mark and clean off all that rest of that paint, and then I'm going to tack it in place. I just wanted to kind of add, now that I'm at this point, a smart guy, because I knew the dimension that I wanted here, would have taped all this off first and not have to grind it off. But that's a smart guy. The thing about working at home in your garage shop is when you have a little German Shepherd who loves ball. So give it here. Give. Try it. Now, one of the things I wanted to show was building a little trailer like this. You don't need to have the most fanciest tools, so I have the abrasive over there, and I do have a it's more of a auto body plasma cutter, but it cuts fairly well. It would cut this stuff. But I'm going to show you with I do a lot of, like I said, metal work, so I have a lot of different grinder sizes and applications.
So I'm going to take this little 4.5, and I'm going to show you. I decided to make my ton box this kind of a standard 50 degrees. So I marked it all out. Okay, that's my flat cut, that's my 50. And I'm going to show you how close you can get.
Now I'll use my flap disc to clean that up a bit, and I'll bring you back and show you the fit. Get a joint, and I don't know if you can see it, which really isn't all that bad. Like that. And then the other side, I did the same thing, other than I capped it off. So far this trailer build is going really well. So I'm ready to burn everything in. What I wanted to show is sometimes you get a little bit lucky when I put this on. So is everything square, everything's level. I got everything tacked up. Now all I got to do is, I decided to put these quit links on for my safety chains. So I'm going to weld them either here or back here. I haven't decided yet. So I decided to mock it all back up again. And as you can see, I have a few decisions to make. It's a good thing I didn't put it where I was talking about was I was going to mount these right here. I'm not sure I'm going to stay with this style jack. Obviously I won't go with a tri-ball. So it works this way. It will work this way. The good thing about this one here is it moves. So then for these here, I was thinking I'll mount them right off of the side. So I got the safety chain links where I want them. I took everything else off to get out of the way. They're tacked in. I'm only going to do about maybe an inch, inch and a half pass on both sides because I'm going to do inside and outside once I flip it back over. So we'll give her a nice little burn. So there you go. That's the quicker way than this way. One down, one to go. So I just came to Princess Auto to grab some stuff. These were on sale, 15 bucks. This is the first coupler I'm gonna put on, 2x2 mount. Cheap here. I was gonna get some steel for a rear coupler that fits inside one of those small ones. But holy crap. I don't know if you guys can see that. 1 1/4 by 8 by 4 feet, 21 bucks. So I'll wait till tomorrow. It's Sunday right now. I'll wait till tomorrow when the steel yard opens up because I am not paying that. The underside is welded as much as I can, all I can reach at. So all the corners, underside, so I gotta flip it. So now I decided I was gonna put another 2-inch because this one's 2-inch. But because I'm welding to the 2x2 in the back there, I decided to go with this one here. It's a class 2, size 1 1/4 by 6-inch square. This is all going to be class 2 anyways by the time you're all done with a 2-inch by 2-inch. But the trailer itself, I'm guesstimating at, by the time I'm done with all the woodwork and stuff like that, 1,000 pounds, 1,200 maybe. So now I gotta cut, box off an end, to fix that, drill my hole for my receiver. I'm gonna mount that. So here's where we're at, boys and girls. I've measured my center, got my marks, clamped my square down. deciding where I'm going to put my tube. I'm going to clamp her down and burn it in. Like I said, next time, now that I've worked with these torsion axle ends, I'll have a drawing and know exactly where I want them if this all works out and tows well. But no drill press this time, it's the 1/2 inch. So I decided to mount the axles before I flip and weld. This one's already done. So I already have my marks laid out, but I also take carpenter square, double check where I'm at. If you want, you can clamp this down. Gonna hammer a little tap.
Not too much. So that's nice and square there. So what I'll do now is I'll take my gear wrench and my torque wrench. I have it set at manufacturer suggested 100 foot-pounds of torque. So what I'll do is I'll snug the 2 corners and I'll come back to make sure it didn't lock it at all. So not extremely snug, but enough so it won't move. So like I said, snug enough so it won't move, but light enough so if I need to tap it with a hammer, I'll double check it. It did move a little bit. Just a hair. All this is going to get repainted anyway. There. Now I'll just snug it down to its full value.
Then I'll do the other 2, and I'm ready to flip. So, this is the moment where you wish you had friends, or you install that overhead lift, chain lift that you decided you were going to, but didn't. So now I just got to flip this bad boy over. I thought I'd put it on video for the fun. I got to find center. Those old boys, you get.
He's working with your hands, he gets strong enough. And again, just going to wrap that hub. Gotta get a little further back. And voila!
Okay, so here we are. I decided to push it out. I haven't done a rolling chassis shot of it yet. Feels like the right weighting on the tongue. It was easy to push out. This way here I can take a look at some of the welds in a better lit situation as well. So far I'm happy with it, so I'm going to put it outside here quickly and go back inside, sweep up the shop. Okay, so I quickly cleaned up. Now I'm going to bring it back in and we're going to work on some wheel welds. So it's funny, I started editing this video and realized that I'm done the trailer part of it. And I didn't show this part, so this is going to be the highway part that I'm using. Okay. And then I'll show you a quick picture of the off-road one I'm going to be making. That'll be another video.